Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush for more reviews. Today we're taking a drive down Constant Spring Road from Manor Park. Just checking out the road, see what's happening on the road. See the progress of the road works as well. So obviously here they turn it into just one lane up, one lane down, so that they can work on the right side where the Constant Spring Market was. There's still some large manhole covers in the road, so you have to be careful when you're driving. It's quite similar to Agri Park Road as well, where they have some elevated manhole covers. I don't know what the long-term plan for them, but if that's the way how they are, it may cause some problem when the road is completely finished and traffic is flowing. Alright, we do have a bit of traffic coming up Constant Spring Road from Half a Tree direction because of the road works. So the traffic is creating a bottleneck right here. And again, while driving, you have to look out for those elevated manhole cover. So instead of potholes, you're not looking out for manhole covers. I don't know why they're so elevated, why they're so high. Alright, so the stoplight at the Immaculate Conception High. Constant Spring Road tax office across from them. And again, you have to watch out for these manhole covers. So we're seeing some roadworks right here at this stoplight. Seems to be running some cables. So Constant Spring Road, it's a lot more finished than Agri Park Road. As you can see, most areas, both sides of the road is open. Both sides of the road has asphalt. Some of the main thing they're finishing up is probably sidewalks, but they're going on fine. again, you just have to drive with some caution because there may be a uncovered hole, there may be some multiple manhole like right here, so you have to drive with some caution. We're seeing a lot of these small ones as well. You also have to watch out for these tractors and heavy duty equipment. So we know what Dunrobin, heading into Half a Tree. Oh, some work being done out here. Sidewalk and stuff still being done out here. Alright, so it's Constant Spring Road, Manor Park basically, to Half a Tree. Remember to leave your comments, like, share the video as well so that other persons can see. And if you're new, remember to subscribe for more.